Hi and welcome to Level Up Cartooning, where our goal is to take the mystery out of the drawing process by breaking it into easy to follow steps. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. In honor of this being sort of an unofficial President's Week, with Abe Lincoln's birthday being on the 12th and George Washington's on the 22nd, I thought we'd do a little President's Minions mashup. Why? Because it's fun. All you need to follow along with me is a pencil and paper. Easy peasy, right? So let's get started. We're going to draw our Washington Lincoln minions step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I use the character's head to figure out how big the whole character is. That's not going to help us with this one, as the minions' heads are part of their body. They're all the same shape. But we will use guidelines to figure out where to put some of the features and other things, and as I always tell you, draw them as light as possible. Alright, so let's start with that roadmap for our minion presidents, Washington and Lincoln. So there's our roadmap of our President Minions mashup. So now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. Again, I want to remind you until that third and final step to draw as light as possible. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to be able to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out the features of our Washington Lincoln minions. Okay, so there are the roughed out features for our President minions. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Washington and Lincoln as minions. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't hammer that line, mindlessly retracing over the lines you've already drawn. Always look to tweak and improve until the very end. So let's draw the details for Minions, President Washington, and Lincoln. Alrighty, so there you have it, our President's Minions mashup. Well, how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn minions before, let alone President minions, then you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You notice I didn't spend time coloring our minion presidents during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula, the process for drawing Washington, Lincoln minions. With that, you can draw them again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it will be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step in what I call the level up cartooning process. So I'd love to see your Washington and Lincoln minions drawings. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram, and don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had fun with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.